Good morning, peoples. How are you today?
Good morning, teacher.
I'm glad to see. Okay, good. I'm glad to see you. Let's start our lesson today. Our now lesson today is first conditional. Okay, do you see?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
Okay, good. Now, first conditional. Just a moment. First conditional used to talk about a possible condition and its probably result in the future. Also, we used to talk about in real situation. And now, first conditional. Example, he will go to the country if the weather is fine. Also, you can see the translation in Russian language. The first sentence, we have future simple, and in the second sentence, also we have present simple. Also, when we use first conditional, we use if and unless. Also, we can change two sentences like that. If the weather is fine, we use comma, he will go to the country. This is future simple, if plus present simple. We can change two sentences. Next. Okay. If I have a lot of money, I will buy a car. Or I will buy a car if I have a lot of money. If, then future simple. Negative form, we can use don't, doesn't, present simple. If you don't study hard, you will fail the exam. Then, in question, okay, what will you do if you don't find a job? If there isn't a hotel, where will you stay? Okay, now next you should fill in the gaps with the first conditional. We should do now in oral. We shouldn't write in our English copybooks. And the first, Andrew, can you start?
If the policeman run faster, he will catch the thief.
Okay, next. The second, Arai.
If I don't take my umbrella, I will get wet.
Okay, good. Next, Diaz.
We will go skiing in the mountains if it
Snows. Okay, good. Next, Gimat.
If she lets the dog, it will bite him.
Okay, good. Next, the fifth sentence, Din Mohammed.
If he keep talking, he will never learn anything.
Next, the sixth, who wants to say? Nurai?
If I eat so many sweets, will I get stomach ache?
Okay, good. And the last sentence, Yilchat, please.
Where will he buy a car if he passes his driving test?
Okay, good, very nice. And next, we should do another exercise. Which is right? We should choose only variant, yes? Right variant. Yes. And now, Din Mohammed, please start.
If I am late this evening, my mother will go home alone.
Okay, next, Nurai, the second.
Will you write to me if I give you my address?
Okay, the third, Arai. Arai, are you here? Okay, Gimat.
Yes, if there is a fire, the alarm will be ring.
Okay, good. Gimat, the first sentence.
If I don't see you tomorrow morning, I will phone you.
Okay, good. Next, Yilshat, the fifth.
I will be surprised if Martin and Julia get married.
Okay, and the last sentence, Diaz, can you say?
Will you go to the party if they invite you?
Okay, good, very nice. Okay, next. And now we should watch a video about first conditional. Just a moment. Okay, just. Do you see?
Yes.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Do you hear?
First conditional
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
English grammar lesson. If we work hard, we will finish the project on time. This is an example of a first conditional sentence. The first part is in the present simple tense, and the second part is in the future simple tense. What does this mean? The first conditional is used to express a real or very probable situation in the future. It refers to things that will possibly happen in the future if a condition is met. In a way, we are predicting a likely result in the future if a certain condition happens. First conditionals are also known as type 1 conditionals. The first conditional uses the present simple in the if clause and future simple in the main clause. Let's look at the sentence again. If we work hard, we will finish the project on time. The condition is, if we work hard. This is an if clause because it begins with if. What is the result of this if clause? The result is, we will finish the project on time. This is what we predict will happen. Also, we have to use a comma at the end of an if clause when an if clause comes at the beginning of the sentence. Here, I am saying it is possible that we will finish the project on time on the condition of working hard now. I'm predicting that this is the likely result in the future. Notice how the main clause is in the future simple tense. We will finish. It is also important to note that the if clause must be in the present simple tense.
Okay, good. Boys and girls, now you should do some tasks on online Mektep. See you on online. Okay, goodbye.